This is Hoya Latifolia. She was formerly Hoya macrophylla, and I think her outer variegated and inner variegated versions are more widely known and available than the green form. I think that's a shame because, well, look at her. Latifolia are known for their ability to grow large leaves, and translated from Latin, latifolia means broadleaf. I find this version differs from Latifolia species Sarawak in that her leaves are more elongated, with a more defined and elegant end point. This plant came to me as a one-leaf cutting from plentiful mines in the spring of this year, and I have to admit that I neglected her for a long time. She sat in moss in a prop box until about 2 months ago, and did very little. It wasn't until I put her in pon, on my desk with access to some decent light, that she started to show off. Her newest leaf is almost as long as my hand, and as wide as my palm. Her venation is prominent, and she's starting to give me some splash, as well as some peduncles. I do have both outer variegated and inner variegated, which is sometimes known as pot of gold, but they have not stolen my heart quite like the regular green form. There are a few Hoya coming up in my Happy Hoya Days series that I think are underrated, and Hoya Latifolia green form is one of them.